Inverted shocks, you have to have a monotube high pressure gas to invert the shocks, and that's just mounting it upside down. Now, with S197, because of the upper mount, we can do an inverted shock, but what we would have to do is we would have to convert to a clevis mount on the top. But on the S550 cars, the Pro 4, the RS Pros, they are inverted in the back. So inverted is you have to have a monotube, a high pressure gas shock to invert. I mean, the advantage, from what we do is minimal, but in real life it would reduce unsprung weight. So yeah, high pressure monotube, you can invert them. If somebody wanted these for S197 and wanted them inverted, we can do that. That's obviously an added expense, but we can do that.